Okay, we're going to do a click. Good job. And now we're going to do a split reward. I grab 2 treats, drop one off in the other hand, and as long as they're in position, they get treated and pat. You know what happens when we get pat? Uh-oh. Had a little dual burp there. You get a click. Uh-oh. Rejection. Good. 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 This right here. Nice. Pets. Good pets. Click and treat. Double reward. Split. Reject and reward as needed. This is good. Nice. Pets. Good babies. Good babies. Yes. Yes. Nice. Good job. Wins reward. You wait there. Everybody wins reward. Grab 3 treats. 1 goes to you. 2 get split into 2 different hands. Good job. That gets you a pet. Oh, too bad. That gets you a pet. And now you get a reward. Very nice. Very nice. It's good. Nice. That one's reward as long as you don't get rejected. Good. Let's do that again. Ready? Nice. Good. Nice and calm. Calm sit. Sit is good. Good job. I'm going to turn around and look back at you. Like what I see. Grabbing for 3 treats. 1 goes over the fence. The other 2 get split and treated.